Well, hello YouTubers. I hope you're having a great day. Anyway, next week I'm planning to do a Iron Butt Saddle Sore 1000. So I've been getting my Pan America ready for the ride. I've added some handlebar risers to make it a little more comfortable. But I was concerned that keeping my feet in the same position for extended periods of time might be a little uncomfortable. So I ordered highway pigs, and I was hoping that they would arrive before I start my ride. So I was in luck. They arrived today. Let's see what we have. So first we'll see that we just make sure that we have all of the necessary parts. We need 4 of these. Four nylon lock nuts. The smaller ones. Two of these. 2 of the larger nylon lock. I guess they call them nylocks. We have 2 of the larger washers and 4 of the smaller ones. We have these 2 parts and these 2. Plus we have these mounting brackets and the pegs themselves. So it seems that we have everything that we need to do the job. So let's get over to the bike and get started. You'll note these slots are all capable of being used for the bolts. So you can use these 2 or these 2 or even these. And this will allow you to move your highway pig forward or backward. Also, since you notice they're able to swivel, so that can determine the height. The peg itself will be bolted into one of those, either the lower one or the upper one, depending on your choice. Okay, we begin by placing the 5/16 flat washer on 2 of the M865S bolts. Once we put the washers on the bolts, we next slide them into the selected openings on the black plate, and then we slide it through the clamp. And remember, we slide it through the non-slotted clamp rather than the slotted clamp. I'll turn this over to hold it in place. Next, we select the position on the engine guard to bolt. And I've chosen to keep it down here. It's pretty much as close to the bottom as I can keep it. Next, we place the slotted bracket and we slide it in, like so. We then take one of the locking nuts and slide it into the slot. The slot actually holds the nut from spinning when we tighten it. I'll try to hold that. It's hard to hold it where you can see it. And then I'll do the other one. Okay, they won't fall. Next, we tighten these nuts. Now, we can then, before we tighten it fully, we can adjust the position of our foot pegs, and we'll do that before we do the final tightening. Next, we choose one of those long slots for the peg. Include the washer on the back, and then we tighten it. For this, we're also going to need a 19mm box end for this nut right here. And now we do the other side. Well, thank you for watching this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I'll notify you when I make the next one. You take care. Have a great day. Keep shiny side up, rubber side down. Bye-bye.